Common vehicle electrical issues. Modern vehicles rely heavily on complex electrical systems more than ever before. From engine performance and fuel delivery to dashboard lights and driver assistance features, even one faulty connection can cause confusion or leave you stranded. In today's video, we're breaking down the most common electrical issues that affect your vehicle and how to spot the warning signs early. 1. Dead or weak battery. Think of the battery as the foundation of your vehicle's entire electrical system. If it's weak or failing, you'll notice dim headlights, slow cranking when starting, or power accessories acting sluggish. If your vehicle struggles to start or your radio resets, it's a good time to get the battery tested. Second, faulty alternator. The alternator keeps the battery charged while powering your car's electronics when the engine is running. If it fails, you might see flickering lights, warning messages, or experience a dead battery even with a new one installed. Pay attention to the battery light or erratic electrical behavior while driving. 3. Blown fuses. Fuses protect individual circuits from overloads. When one blows, it cuts off power to that specific system like headlights, power seats, or even the infotainment display. Replacing a fuse is simple, but if it keeps happening, it could point to a deeper electrical issue worth diagnosing. Fourth, bad ground connections. Poor ground connections can cause a wide range of strange symptoms: intermittent power loss, dim lights, or random dashboard warnings. Over time, corrosion or loose bolts can interfere with grounding. Cleaning and securing these grounds is a small fix that can solve big headaches. 5. Faulty sensors. Modern vehicles use dozens of sensors to monitor everything from emissions to safety systems. When one fails, it can trigger warning lights like the check engine, ABS, or traction control lights. Diagnosing sensor issues usually requires a scan tool and a trained eye to interpret the results. 6. Wiring problems. Exposed or damaged wires can cause shorts, signal loss, or intermittent failure. Moisture, heat, rodents, and general wear can all damage wiring harnesses. Symptoms might include systems cutting in and out or dashboard lights flashing without reason. 7. Ignition. Switch failure. A faulty ignition switch can mimic battery or starter issues. If your dashboard lights flicker when turning the key, or if the car stalls unexpectedly, the ignition switch might be the problem. This is especially common in higher mileage vehicles. 8. Malfunctioning relays. Relays control high current components like cooling fans, fuel pumps, or headlights. When a relay fails, the part it controls may stop working altogether or work intermittently. Diagnosing a relay issue may require swapping it with a known good unit. 9. Battery terminal corrosion. Corroded terminals restrict current flow and can cause slow starting, poor charging, or electrical ghost problems. Cleaning the terminals and using a protective spray or grease can prevent future corrosion and keep your electrical system healthy. Conclusion. Electrical issues can be some of the trickiest problems to diagnose, but catching them early can prevent more serious failures down the road. Regular maintenance, checking your battery health, and keeping an eye on warning lights go a long way. And if you're ever unsure, it's always best to have a professional technician take a look. Bonus: what about EV repairs? We're often asked about electric vehicles, and that's a great question. Electric vehicles are a whole new world compared to gasoline-powered cars. Right now, most independent shops, including ours, have limited access to detailed technical data and proprietary equipment needed to work on the electric motors and high-voltage systems. But that doesn't mean we can't help. Our team has already completed several EV training programs, and we stay updated as technology evolves. What we can service right now: brakes, suspension and steering, windows and electronics, tires and alignments, routine inspections. As access to high-voltage components becomes more available, we'll be ready. Our goal is to remain on the front lines of this evolving technology, so whether you drive a hybrid, plug-in, or fully electric vehicle, we're here to help.